this is Holland's the Ramen Rater coming at you yet again with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got an interesting one from Malaysia. This is a mashup, a collaboration between Shinsegae food, which is kind of a fancy South Korean outfit, and then you've got Mamee, which is a Malaysian company. And so I'm gonna cook these up. They're a spicy kimchi variety, part of the Daebak line. Yeah, sounds like something to do today. And I'm not gonna add anything to this. I'll just show you how you cook it. Because after this, I'm doing a spicy noodle mukbang. That video, I believe at this point, will already be out. So, yeah, don't worry about that. You can watch it immediately. But here we have a sauce and a flake. And it says to put the sauce in a pot of not boiling water. Although this water is already hot, not boiling hot. And you go to flake, bits and pieces. Drop those in. And then bring it to a boil, which won't really take a whole heck of a lot of time because it's already on its way. So, while we wait for that, how y'all doing? I'm doing pretty good. Still getting over this stupid cold. I don't care for it. Not in the slightest. Yeah. Smells good. Smells kind of like a spicy sweet kind of thing going on here. And now it's about up to a boil. So, it's time for the noodle block. Nice big square block. Going in the pot for 4 to 5 minutes. And the timer is officially engaged, ladies and gentlemen. So we have 4.5 minutes. It's like I try to take everything as literally as possible when I do this stuff, and 4 to 5 minutes is 4.5 minutes. So yeah. I just wish I knew what was going on in the news for you folks, because I have no idea what it could be. I don't know. What's the new ridiculous news of the world? There's always something interesting going on that oftentimes is really just kind of ridiculous. There we go. Boiling and boiling. Been really bummed this week. Haven't really gone. No. I haven't been able to go on any of my walks with my daughter this week. That really is not cool, yo. But Miles had Monday off. Tuesday it was too cold, and he's got Wednesday off, so tomorrow is my big chance. And on Saturday we're going to go check out the festivities in Seattle for Chinese New Year, rather Lunar New Year. Because Chinese folks aren't the only ones who observe it as far as I know. But yeah. I'm most definitely observing it. And I probably would have a hard time finding people who'd say I was Taiwan or Chinese. Almost said Taiwanese. But I've been told by Asian people that I'm an honorary Asian person. So I appreciate that. That's like super, super honor. What's funny though Like, wow, that's really nice. You know, tell you what, you're an honorary white person. You'd be like, no thanks. I never hear that. Have you ever heard of somebody going like, yeah, you're an honorary white person? That just seems wrong on so many freaking levels. I've noticed on Facebook lately, Facebook has been promoting videos of mine. Right now they're doing one with me and Miles that there have been countless numbers of people just making horrendous comments. I just, get rid of them. But so many people just seem so unhappy and just so quick to spread their unhappiness. And that's why today I'm happy. And you should be too. I don't care what's going on in your life. Be happy. Does it feel like the world is crumbling around you? Well, things could be worse. Much worse. Much, 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 much worse. You have nothing to worry about, only things to do. So get to it. And stop worrying. It's, pointless. As you may know also, that it's pointless. But it's not always easy to not worry. You can't just not worry. I think that's a human mechanism. And I know it's a big point of contention and very hard for a lot of people. They just worry constantly. And it's very hard. So, not trying to offend anybody with anxiety issues. I'm just saying, things could be worse. Trump could be in the White House, for God's sake. Oh. But no, really. Happiness be unto you this day. I am referred to in Asia as the god of ramen, and I bless you all with my noodly love and compassion. How's that? That work? Does that work for you? I hope so. I hope it brings a smile and some joy to your faces today. Because if it's not, I shall smite you from on high. And I was just smitten with the noodle. Wow. So I'm not going to eat this right now because I'm doing a mukbang with it. But you know what it smells like? Honestly, this stuff smells like budai chigai. Big time. I mean, I'm getting like a whiff of hot dog in this sucker. Hot dog. Well, I hope my message of happiness and compassion for your fellow man or woman or human or pet or tree hasn't fallen upon ears that find it offensive. It's fun to be nice, and being nice to the nice is nice, and being nice to the not nice is hard. So be nice. Be fucking nice. Don't fuck around. Be fucking nice. Alright. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, and I'll be trying this shortly. And you'll be able to go find that video. That'll be under the playlist on... it'll be under the Spicy Noodle Mukbang playlist on Facebook and YouTube. Because there's playlists on Facebook now. I didn't know that, but they're there. And you'll find this there, along with a lot of other spicy noodle things on Facebook that I've uploaded recently. So enjoy. Have a good one. And enjoy this. Goodbye.